The Detmold Group was started in 1948 by my grandfather. We are a paper and board packaging specialist. As a family, we decided that manufacturing is what we do, it's who we are, and we love having a manufacturing base here in Adelaide, making a product that is keeping people safe at work in the health industry, in the mining industry, in the construction industry, all around Australia.
Detmold Medical established in April 2020 to fill the gap and supply product to the Australian community of masks and respirators. The borders had been closed and there wasn't enough supply of masks.
We realised that our global footprint of being able to source raw material around the world, being able to move product around the world very quickly, our experience in setting up manufacturing plants very quickly, and our experience in mobilising teams of people to problem solve and get a job done was very, very high. So it really turned our focus to a way that we could help the community stay safe.
We've predominantly been in the healthcare market, which is into public and private healthcare hospitals, into aged care and aged care communities. And we're now going into the industrial sector where we're targeting mining and construction. We're committed to going over and above in terms of development of our products. So it's critical that our products are manufactured to those standards so that the wearer is safe, but also those people in the community are safe.
That enables the community to be able to have a lot of trust in the brand of Detmold Medical and a lot of trust in the product, that it fits well, it does its job, and it keeps them safe at work and in the community, and that's something that we take really seriously. Our focus on quality and our ability to really use quality to drive product improvement is something that we're very good at doing.
There's a lot of research and development that goes into development of a mask. So there's a lot of material development and understanding of how putting the layers of a mask together comes into play to ensure that it's effective, it's fit for purpose and is easy to wear. We test raw material that comes into Australia. We'll test it throughout the production process and we'll test it as a finished good to ensure that the product is going to be, that's delivered or manufactured, is of the safest level to protect the community and the end user.
To make manufacturing work, you really need to have all of the pieces here. We're able to respond very quickly, we're able to hold stock locally, we have all the skills and resources here that we need, so that level of quality and safety that we can achieve from manufacturing in Australia are second to none.
When a consumer sees or looks at a product and sees the Australian-made logo on there, essentially what they're seeing is credibility, reliability, availability. Products for Australians, made by Australians. So we believe that it's critical to keep sovereign capability or have sovereign capability in Australia for the economic viability and giving the opportunity for Australians to have jobs in Australia.
We know that that's very important, and I think the community has more trust knowing that when a product is made onshore from a trusted manufacturer who's been operating from 1948. I think the team are very proud to be making a product that they know is keeping the community safe.